I like to add the stuff in the ground floor, so we'll just go to my object tool, grab the shower, double click on the shower, put the shower in there, and then where the drain is, we want that in that corner, so I'll turn it so that the drain goes to that corner. So if I go back to my arrow tool, choose the shower, click on there, go to my rotate option, click that, and then make sure I turn it until that corner's in the, and then I'll just move it into the spot where I want it. And then if you want to, you can just take these nodes and make sure they're against the wall. I'll just go back to my move tool, and you can just put that in. Oh, that's a little bit into the wall. And I can move this node a little bit up. Let's escape. I chose the floor, so I'll just have to go back and choose the shower, and then that black node, you can grab that and move them up, and now I've got that in position, so I can go to my 3D view, and that's kind of what I want. My door will open this way, so I can't put something too close there, but that's quite cool for now. So I'll have a door opening this way here, so I'll have to put my basin probably here, and then a toilet on that side. So let's go and grab a kitchen cabinet. So we'll just do a small one, like basin cabinet, double click on it, put it, oh no, it's still in the shower, so Control Z. I'll just go back to my object tool, double click on that, and then that will put my basin in. Go back to my arrow tool, go to my move tool, Control Z, escape, Control Z. I'll just go back. Accidentally replace the shower with a, so you have to unchoose the shower, and then I'll go and click on the basin, double click on the basin, put it in there, go to my my arrow tool, click on there, and then just move it into position, considering the space I have to leave open for the shower door. And I'll just make sure, see, it's a bit into the wall, so I can just put it a little bit out of the wall, and then if this door opens there, and then I'll put a toilet in there. So I'll go to my object tool, just double click on the toilet, and I did it again. I still had this chosen, so I had to unchoose that, unchoose the floor. Just see now that I have to move my walls a little bit over the floor. So if I choose this, maybe I'll choose the floor, and then move that node a little bit across. Then I know my floor is a bit wider than my, unchoose that. So I'll go back to my object tool, double click, get a toilet there, and put a toilet in there, go to my arrow tool, click on the toilet, and then go to my rotate tool, click there, and I want to rotate it in just a 90 degrees, so just 90 degrees. So type in 90, enter, and there's my toilet. So I can just move this to there, and then I've got my toilet in. Now it's kind of easier putting the wall in, so now I can just go to my wall tool. I probably want the interior wall now, so that was the exterior, so I'll go interior stud, so double click on that, and I'll put a wall in about there. Or what you can do is escape and then click there until you get that, and then shift, and then type in, I'll just put the wall in here. So I'll just put my wall in there and make sure it touches that. So that's the interior wall, not insulated. And then I probably want to put a sliding door approximately in the middle. So I'll go to my door tool, and then I want a cavity door or pocket door, and I'll put it in there, and you can choose, it can open to this side or it can open to that side. I'll just go back once, that's it. So that's my door will slide into the wall there, and that's good for my bathroom. And then I can do a bedroom maybe on this side, and so I'll just have a dividing wall between my bedroom and my so Control D, and then I'll just, if I put in Control D, and I'll put in, say, no, let's make it 4000, enter. It will automatically put my tool there, and then I can draw my wall there on that 4000, so it will put it in place. So I'll just do a wall here, and then I can put a bed in here. So I'll just go to my object tool, and then go to files, bathroom, cabinet, jewelry, accessories. So we'll just type in bed in our search bar, and then you can choose any bed, maybe a single bed, and then put the bed in there. Go to my arrow tool, go and turn the bed 90 degrees, press tab, type in 90, enter, and then if you click on the bed again, I can go to my move tool, and I'll just maybe move the bed here, give it a little space between that wall, and then what you can do is just grab those nodes and put the bed right against the wall. It's a bit too close. Okay, we'll give it like a 10 mil space there, and then maybe I can put a dresser here. So I'll go object tool, bathroom, cabinet, joinery, and maybe that's more kitchen stuff. So we'll just dresser and enter. We'll just see. We'll go back to our, and then search dresser. Or we'll maybe put cupboard in. I'll just see. I can add one later. So there I've got this. Now I'll just put this in, and then I want to show you something. See how there's those purple lines and those orange lines and green lines around the stuff. To get rid of that, to make your model look a bit more appealing, you can go to View, 3D View Options, 3D Styles, and then you just unclick that contours, show contour block, and it will take away all those lines around your furniture. Like, see that the lines are all like it should be. Then in the next video we'll add some doors and windows.